What's up, you guys? Back in another store looking at more nail polish and things. I am at Five Below. Spotted this Pretty Woman display. I was surprised to see this brand of polish here. When I first started using Pretty Woman, you could only order them online. First seen them on, I think, Instagram. But they had this display here. They were $3.25 each, and it was called the Confetti collection. But they didn't have any that was like that confetti or hexagon, whatever it's called, string shaped glitter, which was weird, but okay. Cue the confetti. They did have a couple of pretty colors. I didn't get any. I like that navy. I liked that pretty purple one, and the one with the moon and the stars in it was okay. They had these really cute containers, clear when I'm trying to open at anything but basic. That was so cute. You could take the inside part and lift that up and put more stuff in the bottom. Those were $5 each. They also had some nail dryers that takes batteries, and you like push your hand down in the inside to make it come on. I've never tried those. I'm not sure how well it works. Yeah, I'm just taking a little look around, basically showing you guys what they have here for nails and all that good stuff. I was trying to figure out how the heck that nail clipper worked. It looks so weird, but it's a 360 rotating head nail clipper, so that's why it looked like that. That's why I was looking at it so long. I was trying to figure out how the heck you use it. So sometimes over here in this little middle aisle container thingy, they have some good nail stuff. They have this little mini polish set that came with the little petty spacers, a nail file, and that reusable pouch. They had a purple set and a pink set, and I think they were $3.25 each. They had a few of their fresh paints, the mood color changing ones, but they only had that color left for $5. I didn't see any more anywhere else. They always have LA Colors gel polish here. They're $3 each for those. They had a couple Essies mixed in there as well. If you're into makeup, they have a lot of cute makeup brushes and beauty blenders, things you could clean your brushes with and stuff here too, so it's a good place to check for that. They had that floral infused, that was a coconut body oil. And then they had the lip gloss. Usually they have the cuticle oil, but I didn't see it this day. They had this quick off where you soak your acrylic nails or your gel nails. You can soak it in that and they'll come off easily. That was $5. So it took me a good little minute to figure out what this was. It's actually nail polish guards for when you're painting your nails, you won't get it on your skin. But I thought that blue color was like the background of the box. So I'm like, what the heck is it? I thought maybe it was like nail wraps. So I looked at the box longer than what y'all saw. I had to edit it out until I figured out like, oh, nail guards. Duh. But that was the first time I seen those there. I kind of wanted to pick some up to try them, but I heard that those guards don't really work all that good. I've kind of got mixed reviews on them. So if you guys have tried them, let me know what you think of them. I love coming over here to the skincare aisle, looking at all the new Freeman stuff. I wanted to pick up one of each thing, but I've been breaking out lately, so I didn't want to start trying anything new yet, but I'm super tempted to go back and get that new Freeman. I guess it's free of a lot of the icky products too. I did pick up an eye mask, a steam eye mask, so I can't wait to try that out. I have a few things that I did pick up from a couple stores for my self-care Sunday, but yeah, I do want to go back and get that too. I set it down when I was over there looking at the t-shirts and forgot to pick it back up. I do that all the time when I'm in the shopping zone. You know, my brain just be all over the place, honey. But they had a lot of great things here. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a like, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.